Hello, Stefan here with All American Print Supply. Congratulations on your new Epson F3070 direct-to-garment printer. Today, we're going to be going over all of the menu controls on the machine and touch on what each function operates. If you haven't already, be sure to hit the red subscribe button and tap the post notification bell so you never miss any of our awesome print-related content. And if you find this video useful or if you enjoy any of our past productions, be sure to drop some thumbs up. Let's get started. So here we are on the main menu. This is going to give us our ink level display here, as well as the remaining health on our consumables, such as our maintenance liquid, our waste bottle, and our head cleaning set. Here at the bottom is the footer, where it's going to read the current temperature, humidity level, and current time of the direct-to-garment printer. This portion here is showing the platen height positioning, which is set to the highest level currently. Here we have the print head height adjustment set to automatic. Additionally, it can be toggled to standard, where it's a manual adjustment. Here is the internal light button, which can be switched on and off to give better visibility inside of the printer. Here is going to be the USB drive, where we can send or delete print files directly on the machine. Here we have the connection status showing USB, Ethernet, or other options. And this is going to be the printer status, currently indicating that the head cleaning set is nearing the end of its service life. This is going to be the menu button. And here we have a few available options, such as reprint, which will send the last job sent to the printer, general settings, which will bring up more options to control. Basic settings is the first. We can adjust the brightness of our LED display. We can adjust the sound levels. We can set a sleep timer to have the machine shut down automatically. Here we can adjust our date and time settings. Here we can change our desired language for display information. Here we have additional screen customization options. Here we can change the keyboard letter orientation. Currently it's set to standard QWERTY keyboard style. And here we have unit settings. Under printer settings, options are going to include printer mode, where we can switch between having all colors CMYKW or CMYK only. Head movement range, which can be set to either data width or printer width. Inside light, which can be toggled between automatic or manual. Restore default settings to return everything to factory. Here we have the maintenance settings button. Here we can perform our different cleaning settings. Nozzle compensation can be toggled on and off. Actions beyond threshold of missing nozzles. Here we can determine whether we wish to have an automatic cleaning initiated, stop printing, or simply display an alert. Here we have the periodic cleaning setting. We can have this set to standard, scheduled, print page, or off. Power on cleaning, which will allow the machine to do an automated maintenance as soon as it's turned on. Next, we have our network settings. Here we can check our network status or go into advanced options with the device name, IP address, server controls, and more. Here we have our media settings. We go into here to review our current settings that we have determined. Print adjustments, which allow for print head alignment. Print head alignment is going to be advised anytime the printer is moved to make sure that the registration is correct between the two print heads. Here we have the media management. This is going to give us predetermined options ranging from 1 to 10, 11 to 20, or 21 to 30. Here we have the maintenance option. This is where we would go to perform the nozzle check that we wish to execute before we begin any print job. Head cleaning, we need to perform any sort of maintenance to the print head to correct any possibly clogged nozzles. Here we have replace maintenance parts. This feature is going to be used anytime we need to replace the head cleaning set, empty the ink bottle, replace our anti-drying caps, and air filter. When one of the options is selected, you'll have a feature here which will allow you a quick how-to tutorial with step-by-step visuals showing how to perform the replacement of all of those maintenance parts. This is the cleaning the maintenance parts option. Cleaning around the head, suction cap, sensor cover, And when selected, additionally, there are how-to step-by-step with visual instructions to perform each of these cleaning around maintenance parts. Here we have the keeping preparation option, which will allow us to put the machine into long-term storage to avoid any damage to the printhead or internal components. Printhead nozzle limitation. This is going to set how far we can send jobs with any existing clogged nozzles. Here we have the supply status option. This is going to show us the remaining health life of items such as the ink supply, waste bottle, maintenance liquid, head cleaning set, and more. Replacement part information. Here we can see if there's any remaining issues or the expected life remaining on the print heads, ink dampers, and other units available. Now we're going to navigate how to perform a nozzle check, which is advised before beginning any print job, and what we would do to troubleshoot and correct if the nozzle check is incomplete. First thing we're going to do is hit the menu button, which is going to bring up available options here. We're going to select maintenance. Under the maintenance menu, the very first option is going to be print head nozzle check. We're going to print a nozzle check to show the current health of all the nozzles that are firing on all the different color channels. Hit start to begin the check. If the nozzle check shows incomplete, the printer will likely need a head cleaning to correct any clogged issues. To perform this, we're going to go ahead and hit the head cleaning button, still under that maintenance tab, and we advise running multiple light cleanings, as while maybe one medium could correct the issue, preventing the use of excess cleaning solution or supply items. We're going to go ahead and do multiple light cleanings, and here we have the option to clean all nozzles, or if there are only a few clogged channels, we can specifically target them. The printer will choose to clean 2 nozzles at a time, and we can designate which nozzles we wish to perform the cleaning on. If we wish to clear none of these nozzles, we can hit OK, and then proceed to the white channels. Here again, we can select which nozzles we wish to clean at a time, and run the cleaning. Once we've determined which nozzles we wish to clean, hit start to execute the desired cleaning strengths. And that's going to conclude our overview of all the display controls on the new Epson F3070 direct-to-garment printer. For more information or support on this product or any of the processes you've covered, visit us at aaprintsupplyco.com. If you have not done so already, be sure to hit the red subscribe button and tap that post notification bell so you never miss any of our awesome print-related content. If you found this video useful or informative, be sure to leave a thumbs up and drop some comments below. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.